Hey guys, this is JE once again and welcome back to Vlogsetter. Hey guys, we're here in KLCG to have our breakfast. It's all about Genting Highlands. So from Kuala Lumpur, we checked out dun sa hotel na pinagstayan namin, and now we are here in Genting Highlands and we are going to try yung kanilang cable car. But bago yan, syempre, we have to get our lunch kasi it's almost lunchtime. So let's go to the food court. Sobrang haba ng pila guys dun sa cable car. So we asked na kung pwedeng magbabas na lang kami going there. Tapos yung pagbalik na lang kami sasakay ng cable car. And we are now here at level 1 here sa bus ticketing counters. Let's check kung merong available ticket na papunta dun sa taas. Starting to rain. That was one scary ride guys. Tapos umulan pa kaya mahamog. But we're now here in the theme park.
Genting ni adalah simpanan 3 negeri. Faham selama.
Sa Japan nakakaano ko 30K.
Hindi sangat totoo alin tayo.
Mas nalula ako dun kanina.
Nag-open air ano ba nga?
Open air.
2 minutes init. Short stop. Sui Station.
Ito lang.
Pwede. Kaya kahit ito kumain kita pag-ito. Kasi na chumari. Kaya kinakanta na kanta rin.
Oo, ito ah.
Kalau situ kita naik sini. Masuk naik kereta tak balik ke dah?
Grabe ka na yung masusubko yun.
Tinanggal na yung mga ratang sa T2.
Ang dami yun. Mga ito.
Cracky.